Good afternoon, everybody. We're in the east side of London now, working on this Audi A6. Been called in because it's got a DPF problem, or had a DPF problem. We've already resolved it. We're just cleaning it out. Basically, lots of short journeys have caused this DPF to block up. So we diagnosed it, found that there were no particular problems with it, no faults with it which were going to cause the DPF to reclog. And recommended an engine carbon clean, which the customer's already had, and we're now on our two-stage DPF clean service. This is just being flushed out now. I'll go round the vehicle actually. So you can just see smoking out now. Now if it's not too bad, you won't see a lot of foam coming out of these vehicles, which is a good sign. Some do smoke, some do foam, some do both. But this is having a full clean. Afterwards we'll reset all the computers. The vehicle will be as good as new. Just need a drive just to make sure everything's okay. Cost of this service, mobile service, coming to you, full diagnostics, and the DPF and engine carbon clean is £339.99, and we guarantee to resolve the problem for you or your money back. So if you have any DPF issues, please give us a call on 01293 769495 or send us a message. Have a great day.